With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is, in a compound, oxide ions are arranged in a cubic close packing arrangement. Cations A occupy 1/6 of the tetrahedral voids and cation B occupy 1/3 of the octahedral voids. The formula of the compound is, okay, so we have a CCP arrangement of oxide ions. CCP means FCC arrangement, right? Which means that we have a total of 4 oxide ions. Okay. Now, as FCC arrangement is there because an ion is crystallizing in the CCP packing, CCP arrangement. So, basically we have 4 oxide ions, right? As this is an FCC arrangement, then how many tetrahedral voids are present in FCC? 8. And how many octahedral voids? It is equal to the number of atoms, which is 4. Okay. So, cations A, they occupy 1/6 of the tetrahedral voids, right? So, this is 1/6 into 8. And the cations B occupy 1/3 of the octahedral voids. So, what do we have from here? We have, now this will be 2 3s are 2 4s are, and this will be 4/3 only. So, this becomes A 4/3, B 4/3, and O 4. Right, this is the formula that we have. So, in order to make the formula, what we have to do, we have to multiply it by 3, right? If you multiply it by 3, you will get A4, B4, O12. Now, you can take 4 as common. This will become ABO3. So, this will be the formula of the compound, okay? That's all for the question.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.